Alright, today we're making a coconut cream pie. So we start with an Oreo cookie crust. So the Oreo cookie crust is made with 24 Oreos crushed up in a blender. And we add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and then you line your pan with it. I bake it in an oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes to make it nice and crispy. Alright, so now we're moving on to the coconut cream filling. It takes 3 1/3 cups of coconut milk. So this is divided. This is 1.5 cups and the rest of it's in the pan. So in the 1.5 cups of coconut milk, we're going to add 1/2 cup of cornstarch. That's going to thicken it up. And then 1 cup of sugar. So that's going to sweeten up our filling. All right, so the first step is going to mix your cornstarch in with a small amount of your coconut milk to make sure it's smooth and it's not all lumpy. All right, so now it's nice and smooth. We're going to dump it into the pan. Dump that in the pan. We'll add our sugar. And we'll give it a little mix. All right, and then we'll turn on the heat. So we'll cook this over medium-low heat until it starts to thicken up. Once it gets nice and thick, about 5 to 7 minutes, we'll pour it into our prepared pan and let it cool. All right, so this is about the consistency we want. We want it nice and thick. All right, we'll turn it off and we'll pour it into our pie. Move this out a little bit and then we'll let it cool down before we put it in the fridge. Okay, we're ready for the final step. So we take the pie out of the fridge and remove the plastic. You put the plastic on it so when it sets, it doesn't form a skin on top. All right. So time for the whipped cream. Sprinkle on some toasted coconut. And there you have it.